The Samaritan woman asked Jesus a question, and she said, where is the true place of worship? Is it in this house, in that house, on this mountain, on that mountain? And I love Jesus' response to her. He said, woman, there is coming a day when you will neither worship on that mountain or that mountain. And if he were here right now, I think he would be saying, you won't worship at that church or at that church. But true worshipers will worship him in spirit and in truth, because God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. So I invite you to create a sanctuary, a safe place wherever you are, to create an altar to God, to invite your family in, and to join in with us here at the Potter's House in true worship. I'm going to ask some of my friends, some of our worship team, to come out and join me as we lead you corporately. Might be a little different. We may not be physically connected, but we're connected in the spirit, because where the spirit of the Lord is, there is liberty. Come on, worshipers, join me at the piano. That's it. Wherever you are, just begin to open up your mouth. Begin to honor the Lord. That's it. That's it. Make that sanctuary. Make that sanctuary. Build that altar. Yeah, build that altar. Get your family together. Come on, let's go before the King.
During this time, we hear the word isolation so much and distancing. But now is not the time for us to be isolated. It's time for us to draw close to God and to draw close to one another. We realize in this time we need one another more than we ever imagined. So let's pull our hearts and our minds in and draw near to the Lord. High and thine, O Lord, I have heard thy voice, and it told thy love to me. How I long to rise in the arms of faith and be closer drawn to thee. So draw